Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Andika Yuga Saputra, NPM 5211 711 037. Now I can presentation the part of video. The first is conversation. First part, this part is dialogue of a boy and girl named Ted and Anna accidentally met because of a collision while skating. They got to know each other and apologized to each other. Their conversation ended in friendship and mutual benefit with their respective skill. Ted is in computer and Anna teaches skateboarding. The second part. The second part show the dialogue of immigrant from Vietnam and immigrant from Egypt. Hai is a Vietnamese immigrant who will apply for a job in the United States at the community company, while Ahmed is an immigrant for Egypt. The both explain some of the difference between people and environments in Vietnam and Egypt from those in the US, and provides reason why they chose to work in the US. Part is a statement that we can change from when we're young and where we grow up, such as habits about fitness, collection of things, sports, but finance, hobbies, reading, the news about politics, and about appearance. The fourth part section is a commentary on traffic problems caused by transportation. The comment are that old buses cause air pollution because they are old. Too many cars can be dangerous for cyclists. Too many private car owners also create parking problem. The fifth part is a Singapore solution to overcome traffic problems in the fourth part. For example, paying when going to us motorbike and going to business, making it difficult to buy a car and increasing public transport for mobility, making it the best public transportation system in the world. The sixth part is dialogue of a man asking a woman for help. Where is the ATM location? Where is the place to take the bus? What if the runs to the ATM? And where is the place to race? Seven part section continues the sixth section. The man again asks how much the bus ride costs and where the bookstore is located. The eighth part is the celebrity improvisation. Jerry is a model from England, and she explained about her hometown, Britain. Jerry also explained the reason why he chose to be a model from when he was a child. The ninth part is the opinion about apartment. The opinion are that the apartment is too small for pets. The apartment is big enough for a family. The apartment does not have a much space as a house. The apartment is too expensive. The apartment is not spacious enough for parking. The house is also more expensive. The house is not safe as an apartment. The house is not as comfortable as an apartment. A house does not have a lot of enclosed space, and the house does not have as much privacy as the apartment. Ten part. Ten part is Ten part is a talk show about capsule hotels. Brad, a Japanese, shared his experience at a capsule hotel about the size, the room, the facilities, and the comfort. The 11th part. The 11th part is about man named Terry who tell his friend the reason still live with his parents. 12th part. 12th part is Brian's story about his choice in life later. Whether he will work or not. If so, then where? If so, then where will he work? He is still hesitating. He is still hesitating. 13th part. The 13th part is about the dialogue of man and woman discussing whether or not they have done something such as eating snails and brain and fried breads. The 14th part. The 14th part chapter is continuation of the 14th chapter is continuation of the 13th part. They try to eat things that each of them have never eaten before. But the boy does not want to try to eat the fried bread. 15th part. The 15th part. The 15th chapter is about three people in dire need of choice. First, a woman want to join a sport team. Second, a man want to improve his writing. And third, woman who want to go on vacation. 16th part. The 16th part is about planning a vacation on their day off, like watching movie, going to the beach, and exercising. Seven part. The seventh chapter is about where some the girl are going and what if they get it. 18th chapter. The 18th chapter section describe a person experience of traveling, such as giving direction to driver, preparing goods before leaving, trying to friendly to local president, must have a driver license, prepare personal medicine, prepare money in credit card and cash. 19th part. 19th The 19th section describes travel tips from interviewing women while on vacation in New York, such as not doing too much quickly, lots of public transportation that can be used, and security guards in New York by not doing anything negative and obeying the rulers. And although expensive, many discounts can be obtained and can also use student card to get discount. 20 part. The 20th chapter is about father telling his son to turn down the volume of the television, and mother telling doctor to up her things. 21st part. The 21st part is continuation of the 20 about Jason and Lisa complain about their parents, such as who always forget their car's key, and their parents' clothing style are considering old-fashioned. The 22nd part. The 22nd part is about the result of survey on what men and women should do when doing household do should do when doing household chores. A physical a, phys, a physiological doctor also answered the survey given. Like most boys do not do housework. Most women do work in kitchen. And me only do work in the garage. Me and the woman do cleaning, cook together, but also prepare groceries together. Most women are very worried about finance and high taxes. That's the presentation that I can see. I hope it's pleasing and useful. For the mistake, I apologize professionally. I'm done. Thank you.